What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to Lena and I to get these Pinegreens Jordan 1s. Guys, we got the Pinegreens. There was quite a few left over. Went ahead and grabbed my reserve. Jumping back on the Denali. Headed to the house to give you the full review. What is up, guys? Welcome to B-Lit Reviews. Today, we're going to be going over the Pinegreens. Or are they the Gucci's? Or are they the red and greens? Whatever you want to call them, they're the Jordan 1 green and black. So, opening up, we have the swoosh stamp. We have the swoosh. You have your number stamp right here, your red and black standard box, and then we're going to open this is kind of just your standard paper here, nothing special about it. You open it up and you have a strong whiff. There's such a whiff coming from these. I'm going to pull them both out on the table. There's two sets of laces, red and black. Guys, at a price point of $160, we have the Pinegreen Jordan 1s that are green at the toe, green on the swoosh, tumble leather, white to the green bottoms. Really smooth, nice looking shoe. Red and black Nike Air on the inside and on the tongue. These are probably going to go up in price. I would recommend getting them. They come with two sets of laces. I'm going to throw the red in, the black are in now. And I think on St. Patty's Day, I may bust these out with some green laces. I don't know. Some people are calling these the Pines, the Gucci's, the red greens, the Celtics. There's all kinds of names, but one thing is for sure, they're super clean. And I would recommend grabbing them before they're sold out. Very beautiful shoe, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Let's get it.